Now I would request revered Swami Sarvalokananda Ji Maharaj is the Secretary of Ramakrishna Mission Ashram Narendrapur. We will listen a few words from him. Maharaj.
Let me begin today's program with Vedin chanting Asato ma sadgamaya tamaso ma jyotirgamaya mityor ma amritagamaya Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. O Lord, lead us from unreal to real, lead us from darkness to light, lead us from death to immortality. Minister in charge, Srimati Sosi Paja, Mr. Randhir Kumar, State Commissioner, Disabilities, Government of West Bengal and Additional Secretary, Department of Women and CD and SW, West Bengal, other dignitaries present in the today's meeting. All of you know, today is a very important day, being the birth day of Mary Louise Burke. Louis Braille. The Louis Braille has made a great revolution in the field of blind education. That Louis Braille became blind at the age of 3 only. Whole world was dark to him, but God has given him that power, that strength to bring about a great revolution. How blind people can read and write with Braille. And he is the inventor of Braille. Actually, he invented this Braille system. He introduced this Braille system in the education, particularly for the blind people. If she would not have done this, then there was no hope for blind education. So on this auspicious day, we pay our respectful homage to that great gentleman, that Louis Braille, how he bring about a change, a great change in the educational system by introducing this Braille system. Dear friends, I am little indisposed up. My throat is not good. All of us should take inspiration from his. I am sure the generation after generation will get inspiration, the work from the work done by Louis Braille. I don't want to take much of your time. Louis Braille has given light to the blind people, and he has proved that blind people are equally strong, equally intelligent, equally competent with normal people, with people with vision. In many fields, blind people are coming forward Now they are becoming good professionals in different fields. I know them personally. Many blind students from Ramakrishna Mission Ashram, Blind Boys Academy, Narendrapur, has done a great achievement in different fields. They have become announcer in the railway station. They have become the teachers, they have become the professors, even they have become the lawyers. They have become a good entrepreneur, what not. And it has become possible only due to Louis Braille, because he brought a great hope for blind people. We should not forget him because of his great contribution towards this Braille. You will be happy to know that Ramakrishna Mission Blind Boys Academy is having very good Braille press. It has been running for 55 years without any break. And our Braille press supplies Braille books for whole East-North region. And you will be happy to know that our Braille press has received national award twice. And I was quite fortunate to receive once this national award for our Braille press from the then President Sri Pranab Mukherjee. So let us pray to Almighty that especially the blind people should get inspiration, strength and courage so that they can march ahead. They can become successful in their life, and I hope, not I hope, but I do hope that they are becoming successful in their life, in their professional life, in their personal life, in their social life. So all credit should go to that founder, great founder of Braille, that is Louis Braille. So with these few words, I will conclude my speech. I must thank the Minister, Srimati Sosi Panja, and Mr. Randhir Kumar IS, and other dignitaries present in this meeting. Again, I welcome all of them because they have kindly attended this meeting in spite of their busy schedule. Thank you very much. Namaskar.